multiple choice questions from third unit, heat and properties of gases. First one, the conversion of Fahrenheit to Celsius scale is done using the relation F is equal to 9 by 5C minus 32, F is equal to 5 by 9C plus 32, F is equal to 9 by 5C plus 32, F is equal to 5 by 9C minus 32. Answer 3. F is equal to 9 by 5C plus 32. The conversion formula for temperature that is expressed in Celsius scale to its Fahrenheit representation is F equal to 9 by 5C plus 32. Celsius temperature scale, also called centigrade temperature scale, is the scale based on 0 for the freezing point of water and 100 for the boiling point of water. Next, mercury is used in thermometers because it does not wet the glass. It remains as liquid over a wide range of temperatures. Its expansion is uniform and regular. All of the above. Answer is 4. All of the above. Mercury is the only one in liquid state at room temperature. It's used in thermometers because it is high coefficient of expansion. It also has a high boiling point, which makes it very suitable to measure higher temperatures. Also, it has a shiny appearance and does not stick to the glass surface of glass. Next, metal sheet has a circular hole in it. When it is heated, the size of the hole increases, decreases, remains the same, increases or decreases depending on metal. Answer is 1. Increases. When a metal plate is heated, then the dimensions of the metal plate increase, and because of the expansion of the interatomic distance of the metal atoms, the density of the metal decreases, and hence the volume of the metal increases. Next, Boyle's law is applicable for isothermal process, isochoric process, isobaric process, adiabatic process. Answer is 1. Isothermal process. For a given mass of an ideal gas at constant temperature, the volume of a gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. So we can say that when temperature is constant, Boyle's law is applicable. So this law is applicable for an isothermal process in which temperature remains constant. Next, absolute zero is the temperature at which matter ceases to exist, volume becomes zero, pressure becomes zero, all the above. Answer 4. All the above. Absolute zero is characterized by no atomic motion. Both Charles' law and the pressure law lead to the extrapolation back to zero volume or pressure, which would imply the temperature scale can go further. Next, Mayer's relation is Cp plus Cv equal to R, Cv minus Cp equal to R, Cp minus Cv equal to R, Cp by Cv equal to R. Answer 3. Cp minus Cv equal to R. Mayer's relation gives the relation between Cp and the molar specific heat at constant pressure, Cv the specific heat at constant volume, and R the universal gas constant. Next, barometer is used to measure specific heat, pressure, density, melting point. Answer 2. Pressure. A barometer is a scientific instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure, also called barometric. Next, for a perfect black body, the absorption coefficient is A equal to 1, A less than 1, A equal to 0, A greater than 1. Answer is 1, A equal to 1. A perfectly black body which absorbs all the radiant heat incident upon it, the coefficient of absorption for it is equal to 1. The blackness of such a body is due to the fact that it does not reflect or transmit any part of the heat incident upon it. Next, the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 kg of substance through a temperature difference of 1 degree Kelvin is called calorie, kilocalorie, specific heat capacity, thermal capacity. Answer 3. Specific heat capacity. The specific heat is the amount of heat necessary to change the temperature of 1 kg of mass by 1 degree centigrade. The specific heat is a property of the substance. Its SI unit is joule per kg Kelvin or joule per kg degree centigrade. The value of universal gas constant in SI system is 0.831 joule per mole Kelvin, 8.31 joule per mole Kelvin, 1.83 joule per mole Kelvin, 3.81 joule per mole Kelvin. Answer to 8.31 joule per mole Kelvin. The gas constant R is such a universal constant for all gases that its value are usually listed in the physical constants of textbooks and handbooks. We often use R equal to 8.314 joule per mole Kelvin or 8.3145 joule per mole. Next, according to first law of thermodynamics, heat is constant in isothermal system. Heat neither enters nor leaves the system. Energy is conserved. None of this. Answer 3. Energy is conserved. The first law of thermodynamics, also known as law of conservation of energy, states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Energy can only be transferred or changed from one form to another. Next, energy received from the sun is called stellar energy, solar energy, sound energy, nuclear energy. Answer 2. Solar energy. The sun is the principal source of energy on the Earth's surface. It is like a powerhouse which generates and gives out energy in the form of light and heat. This energy constantly emitted by the sun is known as solar energy. Next, the SI unit of heat is calorie, kilocalorie, joule, none of these. Answer 3. Joule. Joule, unit of work or energy in the international system of units. It is equal to the work done by a force of 1 Newton acting through 1 meter. Next, the fastest mode of transmission of heat is convection, conduction, radiation, none of these. Answer 3. Radiation. The energy transferred by radiation propagates with the speed of light. In radiation, heat is transferred by electromagnetic waves which have the fastest speed, so it is the fastest mode of heat transmission. Next, the normal pressure is 101.325 Newton per meter square, 76 centimeter of mercury, 7.6 meter of mercury, 76 millimeter of mercury. Answer 2. 76 centimeter of mercury. Definition of normal pressure. Standard pressure usually taken to be equal to that of a column of mercury 76 centimeters in height, the mercury being 0 degree centigrade and gravity being that at 45 degrees latitude, that is 1 atmosphere. Next, the temperature of a gas is increased from 10 degree centigrade to 60 degree centigrade at constant pressure. If the original volume is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube, then the final volume is 2.35 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube, 23.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube, 2.35 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter cube, 2.35 into 10 to the power minus 3 centimeter cube. Answer is 1, that is 2.35 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. We can calculate this using the Charles law and using the equation V1 by T1 equal to V2 by T2. In this problem, except V2, the other parameters are given, that is T1, T2 and V1. Substituting the values and calculating, we are getting 2.35 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. Next, at constant volume, the pressure of a given mass of a gas at 27 degrees centigrade is 101.72 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per meter square. At what temperature the pressure gets doubled? 54 degrees centigrade, 600 degrees centigrade, 327 degrees centigrade, 327 Kelvin. Answer is 327 degrees centigrade. So this is calculated using Gay-Lussac's law, and the corresponding equation is P1 by T1 equal to P2 by T2, and rearranging the terms we will get T2 is equal to T1 into P2 by P1, and substituting the values we will get it is T2 is equal to 600 Kelvin, and convert this temperature from Kelvin scale to Celsius scale or centigrade scale, that is T2 small letter equal to 600 minus 273, that is 327 degree centigrade. Next, a glass vessel is filled with hydrogen gas at 104.2 kN per meter square pressure. The vessel can withstand a pressure up to 312.6 kN per meter square. The temperature at which it bursts is 909 degree centigrade, 636 Kelvin, 636 degree Celsius, 736 degree centigrade. Answer is 3, 636 degree centigrade. This is also calculated using Gay-Lussac's law, P1 T1 by P2, P1 T1 equal to P2 T2, or T2 is equal to T1 into P2 by P1, or substituting the values we will get 909 Kelvin, or in degree centigrade scale it is 636 degree centigrade. The volume of given mass of a gas is 3 liters at 15 degree centigrade. When it is heated to 75 degree centigrade at constant pressure, the volume becomes 3.6 liter, 2.5 liter, 36 liter, 25 liter. Answer is 1, 3.6 liter. So this is calculated using Charles' law, that is V1 by T1 equal to V2 by T2. Rearranging, we will write the equation V2 is equal to T2 V1 by T1. Substituting the values, we will get 3.6 liter. The volume of a gas at 20 degree centigrade and 75.5 centimeter of mercury pressure is 300 cc. Its volume at NTP is 324.11 cc, 281.37 cc, 319.86 cc, 277.68 cc. Answer is 4, 277.68 cc. This is calculated using ideal gas equation, that is P1 V1 by T1 equal to P2 V2 by T2, or V2 is equal to T2 P1 V1 divided by P2 T1. Substitute the values and calculate. We will get 277.68 cc. To what temperature a gas must be heated at constant pressure so that its volume at 37 degree centigrade is doubled? 347 degree centigrade, 347 Kelvin, 620 degree centigrade, minus 118 degree centigrade. Answer is 1, 347 degree centigrade. This is calculated from Charles' law. We have V1 by T1 equal to V2 by T2, or T2 is equal to V2 T1 by V1. Substitute the values and calculate. We will get 620 Kelvin, or in degree centigrade scale it is 347 degree centigrade. If metal wire gauze is placed on the Bunsen flame, the flame does not pass through the gauze because gauze absorbs the gas, obstructs the gas due to small openings. It is a good conductor of heat. None of this. Answer is 3. It is a good conductor of heat. The metallic wires of the wire gauze are the good conductor of heat. They transfer heat from the flame by conduction to the entire wire gauze, and it's a Next, mud houses are cooler in summer and warmer in winter because mud is a bad conductor of heat, mud is a superconductor of heat, mud is good conductor of heat. None of this. Answer is 1, mud is bad conductor of heat. During summer season, the outside temperature is more than the temperature inside the mud, so we feel cooler in mud house. Whereas in winter season, the outside temperature is less than the temperature inside the mud. Next, which of the following statement is wrong? Rough surface is better radiator than smooth surface. Higher polished mirror is good radiator. Black surface is good absorber. Black surface is good radiator. Answer is 1. Rough surface is better radiator than smooth surface. Rough surfaces are good absorbers as they absorb more incident radiations, while highly mirror polished surfaces reflects more incident radiations. Thus, they are bad absorbers. Next, thermal conductivity depends on nature of material, heat produced, material and difference in temperature. None of this. Answer is 3. Material and difference in temperature. Thermal conductivity is a material property. It will not differ with the dimensions of a material, but it depends on the temperature, the density and the moisture content of the material. The thermal conductivity of a material depends on its temperature, density and moisture content. Next, The expression that represents Boyle's law is PV equal to constant, PT equal to constant, Vt equal to constant, PVT equal to constant. Answer is 1. PV equal to constant. The absolute pressure exerted by a given mass of an ideal gas is inversely proportional to the volume it occupies if the temperature and amount of gas remain unchanged within the closed system. The volume of gas at 30 degrees centigrade is 2 liters. To what temperature the gas must be heated for its volume to become 4 liters at constant pressure? 300 degrees centigrade, 273 degrees centigrade, 333 degrees centigrade, 606 degrees centigrade. Answer is 333 degrees centigrade. This is calculated using Charles' law and using the equation V1 by T1 equal to V2 by T2 or T2 is equal to V2 T1 by V1. Substitute the values and calculate. We will get 606 Kelvin, or in centigrade scale it is 333 degree centigrade. Working of pressure cooker is based on the principle of Boyle's law, Charles' law, Laplace law, Gay-Lussac's law. Answer is 4. Gay-Lussac's law. A pressure cooker works on the principle of cooking at a pressure higher than the atmospheric pressure. Due to this, water boils at a temperature higher than 100 degrees centigrade, which leads to faster cooking. Pressure seals maintain the temperature. The whistle provided regulates the pressure by revealing the extra pressure. Next, land and sea breeze is an example of conduction, convection, condensation, radiation. Answer is 2. Convection. Convection happens in fluids. As a fluid heats up, it expands. Since it has expanded, it is less dense than the fluid next to it, so it rises above it. In the atmosphere with sea and land breezes, as either the ground or sea is warmer than the other, it heats the air above. The measure of average kinetic energy of all the particles in a gas is heat, mechanical energy, chemical energy, temperature. Answer is temperature. The average kinetic energy of gas particles is proportional to the absolute temperature of the gas, and all gases at the same temperature have the same average kinetic energy. Thank you.